Welcome to my channel. Hardwoods like oak or maple are durable but harder to work with, while softwoods like pine are easier to cut and shape. Match your wood choice to your skill level and the use of your finished product. Let's start with woodworking for beginners. 5 must-know tips. Tip 1. Always start by choosing the right wood. Tip 2. Invest in quality tools. Use a reliable tape measure and marking tools and mark clearly with a pencil or chalk. You don't need every tool on the market, but a few high-quality basics like a circular saw. Jigsaw and sander will make your work smoother and safer. Cutting against the grain can lead to tear-outs and splinters. Sanding against it can leave visible scratches. Always work with the grain when possible for a smoother and cleaner result. Cheap tools often wear out quickly or don't work precisely, which can ruin your project and put you at risk. Accidents in woodworking often happen when you're distracted or in a hurry. Taking your time and staying alert can prevent injuries. Tip 3. Always measure twice, cut once. Accuracy is crucial in woodworking. A single wrong cut can waste expensive wood. Double-check your measurements before cutting. Tip 4. Understand wood grain direction. The direction of the grain affects how wood reacts to cutting, sanding, and staining. Tip 5. Prioritize safety. Safety glasses, ear protection, and a dust mask are essential. Keep your workspace clean and well lit. Never rush through tasks. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Get your woodworking plans in the link below.